Inside the ASP closet is where you will find the sound system. In this drawer at the bottom is where you'll find this cord that has a USB-C on both ends. You will need this cord for the wall plate out in the lunchroom. This is also where you will find the lapel microphones if you want to wear a microphone. And in the ASP basket is usually where you will find the handheld microphone. On the wall in the lunchroom, you will see a screen. When you walk up to the screen, you'll see that it says touch screen to start system. You just touch the screen. It will say warming up. As it is doing its warm up, you will see that the screen is lowering and the projector is turning on. On the wall underneath the screen, you will see a little white plate that has the USB-C port in it. You plug one end of the cord into that. You plug the other end into your computer. Once your cord is plugged in, the system may automatically detect that your computer is attached and it will display on the screen. If it doesn't display on the wall, you can select whichever your input is, whether it's wall USB or PC. You also will have settings controls where you can turn the projector on and off. You can raise the screen up or down. You also can control your microphone volumes. And if you have sound coming from your computer, you can control the program sound by pressing up or down if the speakers are too loud. Once you are finished using the system, you just press system off, yes, and then return the cords and the microphones to the ASP closet. All right, if you need to play music from your phone, you can pair your phone with the sound system by pressing this silver button. You want to hold in the silver button until it starts to blink blue. Then go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone and you're going to look for RDI BTFA. Select that and it will connect to the sound system. Just make sure that you only have the app open that you want to play sound from, and then when you finish, you just simply hold in the power button to turn the Bluetooth off so that it disconnects from your phone, and you might want to let your phone know to forget that particular device.